Welcome to Charlie's World. Today we'll be testing out the Dyson ball and we'll to total clean.
Alright, so let's start opening it.
Where should I start first?
Tear it open right there, buddy.
Did this before.
I don't know. What does it look like that it would do?
That means this may be like for fans.
Could be.
Because it looks like it could fit some.
Yeah.
This could be for like cleaning, like carts, maybe like couches.
I guess that's probably for like hardwood floor.
Yeah.
Hardboard or something.
Yeah.
Clear off of that.
And this small one would probably be for, what do you think? Maybe the same?
Yeah, probably chairs and stuff, getting the hair
Chairs. This would be for probably like walls.
off. Yeah, maybe.
This maybe like couches.
I don't know. Maybe stairs.
Yeah, I think stairs, because you could do that. You could do this or this.
Yeah.
This would be for like hard floors. Maybe like chairs again.
I think so. Probably.
This.
That might actually be the mount. Actually, I think that's the mount that you put on the vacuum to hold one of the attachments.
Where would that thing go?
Well, that's a
Good question. Very good question. I've never thought of that. Maybe like right here.
think so.
Cause look.
Well, that could be. I don't know. We'll mess with that at another time. You know what you got to do?
What?
I'll try to slide it down in there.
My God, it's not clipping. It has to be like.
Here. Look. There you go. You had the idea. Hold on.
There.
There we go.
Ooh. This would be for maybe. What do you
I think
think?
that might be for ceiling fans.
Yeah, I think this may be
Because you would
ceiling.
hold it like that against the fan and then
Yeah.
move it back and forth. suck the dust off.
This probably couches, because it looks like you could scrub a spot a lot of times.
Yeah, I think that's probably if you've got like a really hairy dog or something, and that scrubs the hair off and sucks it up.
Yep, it like chops it off and then sucks it straight on.
Yep.
And this, pretty much the same thing.
Like dusting and stuff.
Yes, and last of all, where?
I think that's it.
Yeah.
We already put it together, right?
Yep.
Handle on.
Let's go.
Okay, so Char is gonna. What are you gonna do here?
Vacuum this, then,
Vacuum this rug.
and then we'll see how it compares to that one.
To see if this one sucks up, like if that one leaves anything behind, right?
Yep. Let's
All right.
go.
Turn that sucker on, man. Push it up. Push it right here to your on button.
I know.
Okay.
Which one?
Right there.
Carpet?
Yep.
Yep.
There you go.
Good? Good, Dad?
Yeah, that should be
Ready?
good. Yep, go for it.
Good? Good? And I felt that it was a little bit lighter. That thing's heavy.
You think it was lighter than the Miele?
Yeah.
Alright, well, that's something good to know. Alright, so.
What did we suck up?
Alright, let's see.
That's so... Yeesh.
Alright, so.
That thing really sucks. No, really. No, really. That thing really
That's
sucks.
good for a vacuum cleaner.
The Miele probably would go only that.
Yeah, so that was what we sucked up after we vacuumed with the Miele, right?
That means it just gets a lot more than that Miele.
That's what it looks like.
Like, how did I miss that? Right, Dad?
I don't think you missed that.
I think the Miele missed that. It's probably not enough strong suction. It just couldn't pick up that, like, burr ball.
Yeah, probably. Alright, so in conclusion, what do we think about the Dyson Animal 2 Total Clean?
That it sucks a lot more and is a little lighter than any other vacuum, because like the Miele I had to push like really hard.
Yeah.
And this I was like just gently just swiping away.
Yeah. Alright, so anything else you want to say in the video?
No, not really.
Maybe thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. And
Alright, here I want to tell you what to say and then you say it, okay?
got it.
Subscribe to my channel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other vacuum videos.
That means thank you.
Yeah, and go.
Please, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and check out all the other of my vacuum videos.
Yep. Very good.